yo, that in me and then the song we drop a bomb and we rolling with the game.
Know about patience, pin on the line for days till.
Yo, what's style, man? For your device, I don't know, so I want fully brave God skeleton, then I represent for Soji TV Entertainment. I mean, I say, yo, alright, that's the artists and the baddest review them, man. You hear me? Yeah, like, comment, share, subscribe. You know, click the notification bell to get notified fully.
Sip, cause we rich, anywhere we visit, we legit.
Happy Sunday, everyone. How you all doing? From your advice, it's your boy Soji TV Entertainment. And I say, yes, I'm going to talk about two artists, two underground artists we are putting in work and them are going bad. You know, the first one I'm going to talk about goes by the name Repptyle. You see me, you can find him at Repptyle Official on YouTube. You see me? And him drop a song name Mash Up a Party. You know, I tell you, say, viewers and subscribers. So your artists will have these low subscriber and I go on, so and I put in work and I be persistent. But you need to go give him the support. You see me motivate the artist because the artists are putting in the work, viewers and subscriber. And if I know the artists are putting in the work and them no they on the platform yet. So fully, you see me, them are putting in the work same way. I want to go give them a subscribe or give them a listening ears. You see me? Leave some comments, you see me, like, share up them thing, man. No joke. I mean, I say yes. Artists, I don't know, Soji TV Entertainment, they are watch the thing, you know. My sister, you put in the work, you know, father. So, just go on with persistence, same way, you see me? Yes, man. You don't know we there, you know, man. So, you don't know, do the right thing.
I just a life for me living that job.
That song titled Patient. And you know an artist goes by the name DEVVAH, viewers and subscriber. I want to know if you stop what I do and go give DEVVAH music a subscribe over YouTube. You see me? Yes, man. Make him know say a Soji TV Entertainment sending over there. You see me? Yeah, man. Go listen to the song for yourself because I never talk, you know. The artist have a voice, $1 million voice this. Me I tell you. Cause right now artists out there fuck up the place. Right now the artists are sound similar. Me not compare no man, you know. But I want me a hear viewers and subscribers for myself. I want to know guys to go over DEVVAH music. Go listen to him song when he dropped a couple of hours ago. Titled Patient. You see me? Make him know say a Soji TV Entertainment sending over there. Buckler DEVVAH. Yo, nobody can sit down on the voice I know youth and sit down on them song where you have, you know, cause all if a song you have in your belt, your belt, you know. And me know say you have them to release soon. You see me? So me just want you to just focus and release the best song them, you know. You see me? You just release your favorite, release some song where you know can relate to some things we are going on, some things where you see me pain and some little thing and you are going good. Me I tell you. Because me I listen some other music, them and me I say, yo, the artists are out there already, you know, me I say, bumbuckler, you. Yeah, man, so me no want to sit down for your talent, you know, artist. Go out there and go do the right thing, you see, free. Yes, man, Repptyle, yo, you're tough to, you know, artist, me no want to ramp with the thing, you know, father. You see me? Because you don't know see that right now. I voice right now out there cause you don't see what go on already, you know. You don't see what go on. So I don't know if you just can sing other people pain same way and make it be heard and make it out there and know say yes, that is it. You see me? You don't know Soji TV Entertainment out here. I support the artists them. You don't know my platform same way cause them help me grow same way, you know. I love see artists them I put in the work. You see me? Yeah, man, and the underground artists them we I work with, man, the artists them when I get the breakthrough, we never get a review it. I first review them what I ever get. And them we I work with, cause them me say I do the right thing, you know. Yes, viewers and subscribers, some want to know if you have a productive day and big up on yourself on the Sunday. You see, free, don't know Soji TV Entertainment there, you see me? And me appreciate you all. Me I go leave the 2 song link in a comment section so you guys can go listen it for yourself. You see me? And come let me know the feedback. No joke.
Someone know you walk go with Appleton. Which party we a reach? Big, quick.
So she and her best here running like really. Bang a phone.